2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, active suspension system, heated front seats, compass, security system, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.